It started with rain, just rain, the kind Texas has seen 1,000 times before. But this rain was different. By dawn on July 4th, over 50 people were dead, many of them children, at Camp Mystic, a Christian retreat turned nightmare. Bunk beds splintered, teddy bears buried in mud. A single sandal lodged in a tree 15 feet high. The flood didn't just kill, it erased. How Texas hill country, beautiful but deadly. Part of Flash Flood Alley, where steep hills and thin soil turn rain into raging rivers in minutes. Then, the perfect storm. A mesoscale convective vortex, a 30-mile-wide weather monster, sucked Gulf moisture and fired it inland like a cannon. Result? Over 18 trillion gallons of rain in hours. Forecasters predicted 3 inches. They got 18. Warnings came at 1:14 a.m. after. The water was already inside cabins. Alerts arrived when the destruction was already done, one survivor said. Now, 27 children remain missing. The cause? Climate change. Warmer air holds more moisture. Warmer oceans fuel stronger storms. This wasn't weather. It was nature's fury unleashed. Nearly 40 years ago, the same river claimed 10 lives. History repeated itself. Now, drones search riverbanks. Helicopters scan flooded forests. The clock ticks. Officials call it a rescue mission. But hope fades by the hour. We can't stop the rain, but we can prepare. Better forecasts, stronger infrastructure, smarter warnings. Because in Flash Flood Alley, 5 minutes is all it takes to lose everything.